Sagittarius. This is your channel messages for the 15th of November. Yes, November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Sagittarius, this is your channel song.
It's been a long time, time should have left you without a new beat to step to.
It's been a long time, I shouldn't have left you. Tell me, what would you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again if I hesitate to let you in? Or would you be yourself or play a role? Tell other boys I keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you stay up? Cause at first you don't succeed. Sagittarius, you can brush it off and try again. Again. At first you don't succeed. Try again. Are you into me? You into me? But I can't let it go so easily until I see where this could be. Could be eternally or just a week. So this chemistry is off the chain. It's perfect now, but will it change? This ain't a yes, this ain't a no. We will do your thing, we see how it go. Oh, first, if at first you don't succeed, brush yourself off and try again. Again. At first you don't succeed. Try again. Try again. Exactly. It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you. Well, I don't know, being a step two. It's been a long time, Sagittarius. You shouldn't have left me. Why did you leave me? I miss you so much. Yeah, as if you're fine and you're just not okay. You're missing a Sagittarius. How could you be okay? Speaking of Sagittarius, Alkaline drop a new song. I'm not gonna promote it. Cause what kind of mumbo cloud? Hey, and them mumbo cloud things that me I talk about, you know. Hey, you're gonna make man get mumbo cloud vibe now, you know, Alkaline. No, I was supporting you on your so-called journey, right? You sang a song. Boss for every boss, done for every done, humble like a llama, right? I was like, okay. Him up on a more meds, masculine meds, okay. Then him go, we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. I'm like, wow, yeah, the masculine vibe. Him come up with a new song, and I'll be a bitches in the fucking video. Why is he in here, bitches? What Kerry there? Kerry now organize the blood clot thing properly. Kerry, what kind of blood clot disrespect is Kerry? I was okay with him, just like, him can't do him little video them, yeah. And him there, alright, yeah. Boss, for every boss. Man, fear everything. Exactly. We were in it. The man them fear meds. No, him drop one blood clot song. I be a bumbo clot, yeah. You make girl a touch my blood clot, man. You see the Kerry. Before you come in a danger zone, tell Kerry if there's nothing she needs to know. Kerry, I spoke now and I forever. I'm home. But no, say when little thing and no joke. Kerry, organize the bumbo clot thing properly, no Kerry. What kind of bumbleclot thing this year make girls in the bumbleclot man video? Tell the man to sing some bumbleclot inspirational song for the man them. I don't want to see bitches in his video. No more bitches. No more. Think no bumbleclot organized, man. Them bumbleclot things I make. You have the man run beer blood clot, girl. Well, look better than me. My girl. Oh yeah, I this thing, you know. You know that. I notice how now move. I notice how vendetta squad are moving nowadays, you know. I was okay if you want to sing for the man then. I will not have you on bitches. Call this Dead Sea Tabernacle Sakama. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. Call this. Having bitches asking you, how is your morning, bitch? It's great. Just ask my girlfriend. Bitches asking you if you're okay today. Don't ask him that. I'll ask him. I'll make sure he's okay today, bitch. Bitches be asking, oh, did you eat breakfast? He did. He ate me. He motherfucking did, ho. Asking my man motherfucking questions. Bitch, you trying to mash up my fucking happy relationship? Huh? The fuck? Hey, did he wake up early this morning? Yes, he did. What the fuck you asking him that for? Yes, he did. He woke up in my arms to a head rub. What the? Anyways, go ahead and wait your reading. You have to understand that dealing with me comes with a lot of trials, responsibilities, and I will challenge you to the point where you probably feel like you made a terrible mistake. But you must know, I do not do anything to you that you have not already done to yourself. I am simply here as a mirror to show you what you are and to show you that no other bitch loves you like me. When are you gonna make me your girlfriend? You wanna be my girlfriend? No problem. Just get a list, do all of these things on this list. Stop saying that! I can't read. I'm joking. When are you gonna make me your girlfriend? You wanna be my girlfriend? Okay, just wait 3 more years for me and make sure you have a career by 3 more years. Stop saying that! Bitches are gonna take you away from me in 3 years. Let's go. The angel Sagittarius. I cannot, I will not. Okay, let me calm down. Hi, Sagittarius. If you're shy on the first date, what about the next date? You don't wanna throw it all away. If at first you don't succeed, brush yourself off and try again. Sagittarius, try again. That's all I'm telling you. You can brush it off and try again. Hi, Sagittarius. We have the 7 of Pentacles. Okay. So, okay, I'm getting a Jewish person though. If this is not a Jewish Sagittarius, I'm getting something about, this work what you're doing. You're doing this work. I'm getting you serving people. You're serving the community. Sagittarius. I'm getting you to try again. I'm getting Sagittarius, you feel like something is stopping you because of your religion. Well, that is like saying something is stopping me because of my sex. Because of what I'm born as. Remember, the whole point was to not be discriminative against religion, race, sex, or whatever it else is. So I'm getting you think of your religion, or I'm getting you because of your religion, why you didn't get blocked. Not because of what you believe in, I'm getting that religion was in an uproar, basically. We have a it's not because of what you believed in. I'm getting the religion you believe in, them wasn't problem. The religion you are a part of, they were being questioned about if one is religious people. Come getting you pray, and you're saying, well, all of these people see me as a fucking monster, but I pray every day. I pray to my God every day. So when I look at me and say, oh, me I want a monster, oh, me I want a murderer, oh, me stay this way. When me serve my God every day, me pray to my God every day. So oh, you look at me and say, oh, me is not this, me is not that. So maybe that's what you had to try. You had to look at it at a different point of view. At first you were saying, I will not go here because what I believe in is causing a problem. That shouldn't be the problem. You should figure out why is it that you as long as you're doing the work yourself, then humans or nobody around you can guilt you to make you feel like you're sinful. Okay, for example, the things what happened with Palestine and Israel. Every person who come from, every Jew now, you're gonna look and say you're a murderer. Every Jew know. And then a Jewish person will be like, but I pray. I read I wrap my hand, I put on my shit. I go under my shit. What are you talking about? I don't know, but I never went to war before. I go under my thing and I do what I need to do every day. I pray every day. Me do this every day. So why is it that me is being, why am I the monster if me I serve my God every day? So I'm getting, apparently you were not seen as an angel or you couldn't help as much as you could because you were being discriminated against because of your religion. You're the 2 of Pentacles. Me getting jobs were hard to get, work did hard to get. Me getting at one point you have to change your religion and tell people you have something else, okay? But me getting you never stopped praying. You're the hermit. You never stopped praying to the Father. Or something about this Virgo man. You wonder if somebody hear your prayers? The son card. Me getting you want one son. You want one child. You're asking for a child. I don't know if your dad died or your dad, you want. Me getting something about your son. You want a baby. You want a baby. The thing is, I feel like you're an older man. I feel like you're not even ready for kids. But me getting, you want that. For some reason, there's a child being talked about. A Jewish baby. The baby Jewish. The father is Jewish. No, I don't know if the mother Jewish too, but the father Jewish. 6 of cups, 3 of wands, and then we have 4 of cups. Yeah, I'm getting the child Jewish. The father is, I don't know if the mother is. I'm getting Sagittarius. I'm getting you're not Muslim, you're Jewish. Somebody think you're Muslim? Or you tell people say you're Muslim? You ain't Muslim, sweetie, you Jewish. I'm getting your father protect your identity. I'm getting your father protect your identity from these people. I'm getting your father tell you say you have a dream and you have one baby and the baby have one boy. That's what your father tell you. He tell you say him have a, or somebody go have a dream about this baby boy. Them not gonna see the mother. They're not going to see who the mother is, but they're gonna see the baby boy. Something like that. Yeah, the 6 of wands. I want to say, Sagittarius, that you are very protected. I don't know if you had a baby, you lost a baby, or I'm getting something about this little baby boy, this curly hair baby boy. I don't know if somebody want you to be the mother to this boy, or something like that. But me getting, again, you felt, or me getting them deny you something, them deny you this application, them deny you something because of your religion. Or it could be because of some Jewish people. 1 out of the 4. Let's just continue. Let's look at these. Aquarius. And we have lying. So I'm getting an Aquarius a lie on you. That's not your baby. Or you ain't that religion. Or you ain't Muslim. Or somebody say I'll convert. I never said that. I would never say something like that. Conversion. Religiously. Me say so. Me to tell you say me I can convert. Con the fuck vert. I can't let you hear me, blood clot say. Magic, almost blood clot magic can't use for me. Meditation, 1 more. They want you to convert to fuck. Convert. Kundalini. Sweetie, the only thing we're converting is fucking hydroelectric magnetic waves to fucking electricity. The only thing we're converting is fucking water panels to fucking electricity. They want you to convert. For why you want me to convert? You was not attracted to me converted. You was attracted to me unconverted. Now you are attracted to me and you get me, you want me to convert. For why? I'm going to convert my cooking, convert the way how I share my, I'm going to convert everything. For why? You going to make me use 3 packs of sugars instead of 2? No, you love me before I convert, so you should love me after I don't convert. And I will love you as a converted man. As it should be. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.